Welcome back, guys, to another video of RAHR Farms. Today we are combining barley. Do you guys know what barley makes? Beer.
Hi everybody, like Braden said, today we're out here combining some barley. We have 2-row barley. The variety we have is called Moravian 165. It's a specialty barley made for coolers. So all this barley is going to be malting quality, and what we're looking for is we want to have low vomitoxin, good test weight, nice plump. Here's a sample of barley. We're doing some fungicide trials today. The barley looks very, very nice. It's got nice color. The kernels look really nice.
Probably catch you right away here, and so off to talk.
So sorry about that, guys. We're going to be taking that barley into the elevator and send it in to have them test the quality, so they know what we have in the bin. And when they call us, we're going to haul it in, and then they're going to ship it direct, more than likely, right down to Shakopee. We do our contracting for our barley through RAHR Malting, who's been around in the malting business for many, many years. So they're a very reputable company, and we love working with them.
Yep, that'll be fine.
I saw that. I didn't realize it was, there's a escape, but I saw it and turned around. I didn't see it between these straws. What are you going? It's just up, just set up.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.